Welcome to the joint Secap web platform, a project of the Interreg Italy-Croatia program. This video is designed to familiarize the users with the main features of the platform and to show its general functioning. The web platform offers support to administrators, technicians, and professionals to start energy and climate planning. It is envisioned as a useful tool for collecting and monitoring SAAD and joint Secap strategies and actions, and to help joint Secap coordinators offering easy access to a database of actions already planned by each partner. The platform is a web tool that can be freely consulted by everyone and offers dedicated pages in which the project partners can enter specific data of their target areas. The platform is structured through a light blue toolbar from which you can access the main sections. On the home page, you can view the objectives of the joint Secap project, the timing, the budget, the partners who take part in the project, and finally, it is possible to log into the platform. To log in, you must enter the username and the password previously communicated by the lead partner. If you click on the results page, you will view and perhaps download the main deliverables of the project. For example, by clicking on Best Practice and referring to the deliverable completed by Irena, you can freely download the PDF file. On this page, you can also view and download the web platform manual, a detailed guide useful to fill in all the fields of the strategy and action sections. If you have not logged in and you go to the strategy page, you can consult the strategy results section and view the strategies previously uploaded by the partners. If you are logged in as a project partner, you can upload your strategy by clicking on Strategy card. The first part provides an overview of your overall strategy. If you have carried out a Secap for 2030, this part addresses both your mitigation and adaptation strategies. In this section, partners can provide information also related to SAADs that single municipalities of their target area may have approved in the past. In the description field, please provide information regarding the long-term vision that will shape the climate and sustainable energy future of your municipality. Type of institution, address. In case of associative form, enter the leading city of the strategy. Click Next. Please provide the required information. For example, the title of the plan, the status of the plan, the approval date, and the type of plan, single or joint. Click Next. For the mitigation strategy, provide the reference of the target year you selected and info regarding the CO2 reduction. Click Next. In the Adaptation Strategy page, please outline your municipality's adaptation goals, including the target and base year if applicable, either in descriptive or quantitative terms. Once the fields have been completed, you can click and preview and view all the entered data. Click Submit. If you have not logged in and you go to the Actions page, you can consult the Actions Results section and view the mitigation and/or adaptation actions previously uploaded by the partners. If you are logged in as a project partner, you can upload the actions by clicking on Actions card. Here, you will find the main information related to the plan to which the action refers. The title of the plan, if the plan concerns a single municipality or several municipalities. If the plan provides quantifiable or non-quantifiable actions in terms of CO2 reductions. Enter the title of the actions and select if the key action concerns a single municipality or an associative form. In the latter case, it is necessary to indicate the institutions involved in the following field and provide the address of the lead city. For example, by writing San Benedetto del Tronto, we will already have a geolocationing viewable in the Web Map section. Click on Next. Continue and select the type of action, if mitigation and/or adaptation, and if one or both of these are associated with energy poverty actions. For example, we select mitigation and adaptation. We again specify the title of the action, the origin of the action, the responsible body, a short description of the body, stakeholders involved, and the other information requested by the page. Source of funding, and click Next. On the mitigation page, you will provide the requested information, the sector to which the action refers, the area of intervention, for example, building envelope, the policy instrument, for example, building energy management, the estimated impacts in terms of energy saved and renewable energy produced and economic saving. The vulnerable population groups targeted, let's say elderly, for example. Enter the other requested information and click Next. Once you enter the adaptation page, you can provide information related to climate hazards addressed, for example, floods and sea level rise, heavy precipitations in sectors such as water, land use planning, the outcomes reached, the related indicator, you can provide the measurement unit and add more indicators by inserting multiple lines. Continue with the compilation of the other fields, and then you can press Preview. Once the fields have been completed and you click on Preview, you will view all the entered data. The platforms give suggestions in yellow and request a review in case some information is missing. If mandatory information is missing, the platform does not allow you to proceed. From the preview, you can proceed with Submit to load and save the action data. By clicking on Planning and Monitoring Tools, the platform provides the link to projects and tools selected by partners as a support for energy and climate planning. For each tool, the platform provides a brief description, who produced it, the link to the website, and if the tool is provided with a manual. The last tool is dedicated to the risks and vulnerability assessment methodology tested in the joint Secap project. Finally, if you go on WebMap, you can view the location and the contents of strategies and actions that have been previously entered directly on the map. With the blue, pinpoint the strategies, and with the green one, the actions. The Action and Strategies card will be gradually inserted by the partners. Therefore, the platform can be considered as a dynamic tool that is constantly updated. For example, by clicking on Actions, we can view the action entered during the tutorial, and by clicking on the green pinpoint on the map, we can read all the information related to the action. With this procedure, we can view the contents of all the actions entered by the project partners. On the left-hand column, you can see the list of entered actions. It is possible to search by title or using a keyword. If you click on the Interact logo, you go back to the home page.